You already know that picking the right Disney resort is a big decision, but if you have little ones, there's one underrated feature that makes a huge difference: the splash pad.
Showcase suggestions, where I share travel tips in lists of 5 to help make traveling with kids a little easier.
Hi, my name's Christina, and I'm the owner of Showcase the World Travel. It's a modern travel agency dedicated to helping families take a break from the busy. And before starting Showcase the World Travel, I was a Disney-focused travel advisor for another agency. And I didn't have kids at the time, but I loved Disney. And I didn't understand why so many families were so obsessed with the pool. Like, you're one of the theme parks, why does the pool matter, right? And then I became a parent. And now I know that the pool makes a difference. But with little ones, the splash pad is even more of a flex here. I really love helping families plan magical vacations that actually feel like a break, and being able to take that little one out of the overstimulation of the theme park and let out a little bit of energy in the splash pad can really make a difference. If your toddler or preschooler is anything like mine, the pool can be the main event. But not all Disney resort pools are created equal. Some have incredible splash pad play areas with slides, fountains, and water cannons built just for kids under 48 inches. And today I'm sharing 5 Disney resorts where your little ones can cool off and go wild while you maybe sneak in a few minutes of relaxation. Starting with a value resort, Disney's Art of Animation, the Finding Nemo splash pad is next level. You have giant fish statues, playful jets, and lots of space for safe, supervised play that makes this a toddler's dream. It's themed, colorful, and full of Disney magic. Plus, your steps from the largest pool on Disney property, the Big Blue Pool. And Art of Animation has family-style suites so that you can spread out a little bit, and that extra bathroom is always amazing. Next is a moderate level resort. It is Disney's Port Orleans French Quarter. This one often flies under the radar, but it's actually one of the most charming and manageable resorts for families. The Doubloon Lagoon splash pad features a sea serpent water slide, playful fountains, and a Mardi Gras theme that kids love. It's compact, easy to navigate, and has great access to boat transportation to Disney Springs. Now we're going to start talking about some deluxe level resorts. If you're interested in the difference between the different resort categories, you can check out this video here. Disney's Grand Floridian Resort is often avoided by families with small children. They think that this elegant resort is a little too fancy because it's known for its afternoon tea and Victorian charm. But the Mad Hatter Splash Area is a total kids pleaser. There's a princess parade in the afternoons and an incredible character dining experience at 1900 Park Fair. Plus, the monorail to the Magic Kingdom means you're not folding those strollers, which is huge. It might sound like a little thing, but not folding those strollers is just heaven. Back to the splash pad though, there's a giant teacup water feature and whimsical fountains that are perfect for toddlers. And the best part, that monorail ride to the Magic Kingdom. It's like just a whole ride. So, if you're really focusing your trip on Magic Kingdom, you just can take the monorail back to that splash pad, go back to the park, and go back to the splash pad, take a nap. So convenient. One of my favorite resorts in Walt Disney World is Disney's Wilderness Lodge. I think it's a great value. Plus, it has so many incredible amenities. And it feels like a national park lodge. The splash pad area at Copper Creek Springs Pool is perfectly suited for those younger kids. It has bubbling springs, geysers, and mini fountains that keep the little ones entertained in a calmer, woodsy setting. If you want to hear a little bit more about our recent trip to the Wilderness Lodge, you can check out this video here. What I love about the pool the most is its proximity to Kaiser Point. It's a bar and grill. It's outside, but it has these incredible fans. It's right on the lake and has amazing drinks. So after a little bit of time in the splash pad, you can let the kids go play at the foosball table while you enjoy a nice drink by the lake. Peaceful retreat for parents, stunning landscape, and fewer crowds than some of the other deluxe resorts. The last splash pad I want to share is the Samawati Springs pool area at Disney's Animal Lodge, Kidani Village. It has an awesome splash zone called the Uwanja Camp with bubbling geysers, rope bridges, and water cannons designed to look like a safari outpost. It's adventurous, it's immersive, and it's perfect for the little explorers who aren't quite ready for the big slides. It's so difficult planning a Disney vacation, right? And most of the families I work with come to me and they say the words overwhelmed, overwhelming. So we have a great guide for you. You can get it below. It's our 5 easy steps to a Disney vacation without overwhelm. We have tons of resources on choosing the right resort for your family, but we also, if you choose to work with Showcase the World Travel, we'll also get to know your family so that we can make a really great recommendation based on your family's preferences, priorities, and price range. So we know how overwhelming it can be to pick the right resort, and it's something that we love to help you with. That is one of my favorite things to do, is pair families with the right resort. Thank you so much for watching. If you know somebody else who's planning a Disney vacation, please share this video with them. Hit the bell, subscribe, share this with another parent who needs a splash. Puns. I love puns. Jungle Cruise is my favorite. Who needs a splash of vacation magic? As always, take a break from the busy. Splash pad is a great way to do that on your vacation.
Need help planning your next family vacation? Visit us at showcasetheworld.com to request a quote or schedule a free vacation consultation. Want more great travel tips? You'll find those there too.